Okay, today we are making a sweet treat with only 2 ingredients. So good. Alright, enough of me snacking. Let's list these ingredients and let's get started. First, we start with ice pop holder with the removable tops. Okay. We got some gummy bears and cans of Sprite. Take the tops off. Start with the Sprite. Fill it up. We're gonna fill it halfway. Add some gummy bears. Let's fill the others about halfway. Add the gummy bears. Can you guys see the bears bubbling in there? It's pretty cool. Okay, let's add some more Sprite to each. Up close before we throw them in the freezer. So colorful.
2 hours later.
Alright, are you ready? Let's see how the gummy pops turned out. Look how cool. It's totally frozen. Ooh, look how colorful it is. So colorful. Ooh. Okay, now we gotta try it. The easiest way to pop these out, just squeeze. Squeeze this part. See how it goes right up like that? Let's squeeze it. Let's try it. Ooh. Oh, look at the gummy bear. The little gummy bears. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Alright, let's try it. A gummy bear just popped in my mouth. Oh, this is so good. And so easy to make. Believe it or not, the gummies are still chewy. That's my Gummy Pops recipe for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you do try this recipe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. If you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, cooking and kisses.